Hello and welcome. We appreciate your taking the time to watch this video. Our purpose is to share with fellow industry practitioners what we have found to be a valuable resource in the journey to understanding Singapore's regulatory framework. The Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS, is an all-in-one regulator, central bank, and manager of Singapore's official reserves. As it is a one-stop shop, per se, its website contains a wealth of information that is useful to any financial services professional in Singapore. Whether you're a wealth manager, financial advisor, private banker, insurance or real estate agent, operations or compliance professional based in Singapore, it is worth your time to get familiar with this excellent resource, as there is something here for each and every kind of professional. To get us started, open up a Google search bar and type in the words MAS GOV. Pressing enter will yield the following result: Monetary Authority of Singapore. This is the link to the MAS website. Looking at the headers at the top of the home page, we can begin with the Regulations and Financial Stability tab. Here you will find information about licensing and regulatory requirements. Moving on to the Monetary Policy and Economics tab, one encounters excellent background as to how the MAS manages the Singapore dollar, Singapore's reserves, and a lot of reports and articles on not just Singapore, but global macroeconomic developments. The Macroeconomic Review, in particular, published twice per year, is an excellent semi-annual report that summarizes trends in growth, inflation, and employment. Moving on to the Singapore Financial Center tab, in this area you will see a lot of ground covered around the different types of financial institutions, or FIs, that do business in Singapore, including an actual directory of all FIs that have either licensed or registered themselves with the MAS. The Smart Financial Center drop-down is where one can find information about all things fintech. If you roll all the way down to the bottom of the Smart Financial Center section, you'll find that the MAS has an office dedicated specifically to fintech issues, hence the Fintech office. It also has some other information about setting up your fintech business in Singapore, as well as some frequently asked questions about all things fintech. Moving on to the Statistics tab. This will be of interest to those of us who are oriented towards data. The News and Publication tab is a very helpful section where the MAS broadcasts their opinions, guidance, and other direction as pertain matters under their purview. We encourage you to explore each of the above tabs on your own, and we think you will find that they will lead to even more resources within the MAS site. We hope you have found this video to be useful. Do come back and visit us again soon for more videos that you may find to be of help to you. Thanks again.